Okay, I guess we're out of here. Okay, clear to the left and to the right. Welcome traffic, Charlie, November, taxi position, runway 34, Vulcan. Vulcan traffic, Charlie, November, departing runway 34 to be a left turn out, direct clears home. Vulcan traffic, Charlie, November.
Okay, so as expected, the camera on my window that I just got another mount for wasn't working. So what we'll do is we'll just take off here on runway 34 out of Vulcan and head off towards Claresholm.
Welcome traffic, Charlie, November is airborne off 34, climbing through 3,900, we're on the left turn, and we'll be direct to Claresholm. Welcome traffic, Charlie, November.
Okay, so here you have us in cruise at 6,500 feet heading our way to Claresholm. The one thing that kind of bugs me with some of these cameras is they have the lens pointing towards you, but the indicating light that it's actually recording is on the opposite end, which obviously isn't facing you, so it's very difficult to see whether or not the camera is on or off, at least with the ones I've got. The Verb is that way. It's got it on the top, and I can't see the top from where I'm sitting. And the Sony has it on the back of the camera where the on-off switch also is. And of course the lens is facing you, so you can't see the on-off light. About another 15 minutes of cruising at 6,500 feet, and we'll be in the vicinity of Claresholm. It's just a short hop from Vulcan. And like I mentioned, once we get there, I noticed that the Sony camera wasn't working at all.
Claresholm traffic, Charlie, November on left, downwind runway 21, full stop, Claresholm. Claresholm traffic, Charlie, November's turning final. Runway 21, Claresholm. Claresholm traffic, Charlie, November's clear runway 21, Claresholm.
Well, and just like that, we're back in the airplane after having a very nice lunch at the local golf course in Claresholm. So, as you'll notice, I've got the camera on the right side working. I'm just trying to fiddle around here now and see if I can get the sound aspect of it working, and as well as setting up the rest of my instrumentation. So Let's give a listen here.
Clear.
Now for a somewhat lengthy taxi for runway 21. It's pretty well all the way at the other end of the airport, so a bit of a lengthy taxi.
Clear zone traffic, it's Charlie, Charlie, November. We're taxiing into position, runway 21. Clear zone. Okay, clear from the left and from the right. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November, departing runway 21, left turn out, direct Vulcan. Climbing to 5,500. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November. Okay, here we go. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November, 0, born off runway 21, we're on the left turn, and we'll be heading direct to Vulcan, climbing to about 5,500. Clear zone traffic, it's Charlie, Charlie, November. Okay, just flying over the town of Claresholm through 4,800 feet, climbing to 5,500. Hope all this is working now, guys. This wasn't working, I don't think, on my flight over. Everything was hot. Man, that's even hot now. I'll put that on it. Get a little bouncy. But I'm doing 102 knots, so I got her pulled back quite a bit here. So the only reason why I'm doing this is I want to see if this camera setup here actually shows any of the panel. And, well, what does it show? Does it show me? I mean, not that you want to see me all the time, but, yeah. Let's see, is this thing working? I can't tell. You know, like I said before, I wish they would put the red lights somewhere where you can see them. Traffic is right. Vulcan traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie starting November 5 to the south. At 5,500 we'll be joining the airport from overhead the field. Vulcan traffic, it's Charlie starting November. Vulcan traffic, Charlie Charlie November overhead the field. I'll be joining from the left downwind runway 34, Vulcan. Vulcan traffic, Charlie Charlie November is established on left downwind runway 34, Vulcan. Vulcan traffic, Charlie Charlie November turning final runway 34, Vulcan full stop. Vulcan traffic, Charlie Charlie November backtracking runway 34 for the ramp. Okay, well. Yeah, the boss lady's there. Vulcan traffic, Charlie Charlie November is clearing runway 34, Vulcan. we're entering the hangar. So again, thanks for watching. I'm just going to post this as I did it. Just flew it. Nothing spectacular about this. I just wanted to see how the camera setup was, and if it's okay, I'll just post it on YouTube. And if it's not, you won't see it. So anyway, in about a week or so, I'll probably head up back because I'll need my annual done, and we'll keep it at that. Okay, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.